Hello student, how are you? I hope all of you fine in your home. Students, you have already know about the class 5th social science, the social science syllabus for semester first for this academic year, children. Because we started already in the last class, we have completed the introduction class of class 5th social science semester first. So therefore you know already about the syllabus of class 5th social science, and according to your syllabus the class 5th social, there are first semester there are totally 8 lessons are there. I told already children in the last class there are 8 chapters are there for first semester class 5th social science. And according to the syllabus, the first chapter is the solar system. Class 5th children, the solar system is the first chapter of class 5th for first semester. So let's begin. That today I am going to start the first chapter, the solar system. Students, this chapter contains the mainly two topics. The solar system chapter contains totally mainly two topics. The first one is the universe, the second one is our solar system. So these are the mainly two topics are there in this lesson, children. So therefore according to the topic, the first topic, the universe. So let us understand about the universe in today class, children. In today class we are going to discuss the topic the universe, children. So therefore what is universe? The first the question is here, what is universe, children? I hope children we have little bit knowledge about the solar system, because you studied in the last year 4th standard about the little bit information about the solar system and about the universe, but you don't know about the detail universe, the universe. Here children, the universe is a vast empty space. Universe is the vast empty space around us, along with everything. Along with everything it has constitute universe. That means, I repeat once again children, here, so what is the universe? Universe is nothing but it is a vast empty space. Universe is a vast empty space around us, and along with everything it has constitute the universe, children. So this is the definition of the universe. So that means it along with everything means the universe along with everything means it includes everything. The universe includes everything. So everything means what here, children? Here it includes the living things, planets, stars, galaxies, meteors, meteorites, and other heavenly bodies or other celestial bodies that always revolving, always visible in the sky. Here the heavenly body or celestial bodies means the object that visible, the object which visible in the naturally in the sky, they are called as a heavenly bodies. Remember this, children. And you will see the definition also. Here I already explained the definition. So you will see again once here, I repeat, the vast empty space around us. I told the vast empty space around us, along with everything that it has constitute universe, and it includes everything means like the planets, stars, galaxies, meteorites, and other heavenly bodies that visible in the sky. So that is a universe. Now I hope I clear the concept of the universe. That means what we understand here about the universe, it is a vast empty space around us. That is a universe, children. The universe, it includes everything. That means here, now let us understand about the here everything means here it includes the everything like planets. You know about the already knowledge about the planets, little bit knowledge about the planets, because we have the 8 planets in our solar system, children. We have 8 planets in our solar system. The sun is a star, and all planets are revolve around the sun. That is our solar system, and there are 8 planets are there. But here the universe contains many planets. The universe contains not only 8 planets, it contains many planets, billions of stars and galaxies, meteors and meteorites. That means here you need to understand here the meaning of these all, which are given here. Living things, you know already, living things, plant, animal, human. That means it includes we also. Living things, plant, animals, all. The universe includes everything. Totally, the universe includes everything. That is the universe, children. And what about you know about the planets, children? Planets. A planet is a object. Planet is a larger object that orbit a star. That's a planet. For example, sun is a star. The 8 planets are revolve around the sun. So that is a planets. And stars. Stars is a very large, huge ball. You may have seen the evening in the sky. Star, there are many stars are there. When we seeing, we feel very happy. So the star is nothing but here it is a very huge ball. It is a very huge big ball of gas, and it is blowing hot matter in the sky. That is a star, children. And what about the galaxy? Galaxy means, children, here the galaxy is a huge collection of star dust and huge collection of star dust and gases with their solar system and all together held by a gravity is called as a galaxy. So that means here what you understand about the galaxy. I repeat once again. Galaxy nothing but it is a collection of millions of stars. It is a group of millions of stars and other dust particles and other gases and many millions of planets. That means the galaxy is nothing but here the millions of planet and millions of planet and stars and other dust particles makes together a universe. I repeat once again. That means we are also one of the small part of in this universe, children. How? I will understand very easily, children. We will listen here very carefully. Here, the millions of planet and stars and other particles, the dust and gases, other small particles are mixed together one galaxy. I repeat once again. How the galaxy here formed, children? The billions of planets and stars mixed together a galaxy, and after that, the millions of galaxy mixed together a universe. So therefore, we only the one of the small part of this universe, because we are living one of the galaxy. Each one galaxy contains millions of the planets. So therefore millions of planets, stars and other the dust particles. So therefore we are also live one of the galaxy. We are also live in one of the galaxy. So that means which is the our galaxy where we live? Which is the our galaxy where we live, children? So that is the name called the Milky Way. Children, you will see here our galaxy is where we live. In which galaxy? The Milky Way is our galaxy. We live in this galaxy. This other name is Akash Ganga. Milky Way or Akash Ganga, both are same, children. This is our galaxy. You remember, if the question will come to you, then you will be answer very easily, like the objective type question. Name the galaxy where we live. Then Milky Way or Akash Ganga. And this Milky Way shape is spiral shape, children. This shape is spiral shape. And the Milky Way, already I told, this is our galaxy. That means the galaxy which contain Earth and the galaxy which contain our solar system, which contain Earth and the solar system, is called as a Milky Way. The galaxy which contain Earth and the solar system, that means our galaxy, no children, I told Earth is one of the planet. So therefore the galaxy which contain the Earth and solar system is called as a Milky Way. Here the Earth is also one of the planet. I explain about the stars also. Always planets do not have their own light. The planets are reflected from the stars. Here that means all 8 planets are in our solar system reflected by sun, because sun is a star. All planets revolve around the sun. So like this matters, like this the topics we will discuss further in next topic, because we have next topic is detail of our solar system. On that time we will discuss very detail about the sun, about the stars and about the other celestial bodies like meteors. Yes children, what about meteors here? So meteors is the streak light of in the sky, because we have seen in the night sky many stars are there, but sometimes any star is like moving in the sky. Commonly the people are call it shooting stars, but it is a meteors. It's called as a meteors, children. So that means what is meteors? Meteors is nothing but the streak of light or flash of light or scratch of light in the sky. That is the meaning of the meteors. And what about asteroid? In asteroid means, children, the small rocky object revolve around the sun. It's called as a asteroid. So like this, many the celestial body or heavenly bodies are the revolving around the sun, and also in the we have in the universe also. So therefore the universe is very broad. There is no border of the universe. There is no border, there is no end. It is still expanding. So therefore the universe is very large, children. I hope you understand very clear about the universe. And here is one of the another one, the main the thing here, the one of the telescope. This telescope given in your textbook, children. That telescope name is Hubble Space Telescope. So what about specially Hubble Space Telescope? This is very related to the universe. Why it is? Because the commonly the telescopes are using to seeing very the far away object very clearly. Usually we are using. Also here is a Hubble Space Telescope is one of the largest telescope. It is using for to seeing the universe very clearly. Which telescope, children? The Hubble Space Telescope. And this telescope took the picture of universe. Took the pictures of universe, and which pictures contain the galaxy around 15,000 galaxy, and each galaxy looks like a small tiny patch in the sky. So this is very amazing, children, amazing very, because it took the 15,000 pictures of galaxies on the universe, and all looks like very small tiny patch in the sky. So therefore it is very important telescope, and it is very largest telescope. Which one? Hubble Space Telescope. You remember this. I hope all of you understand very well about the universe. Still, if you have any doubt, you have to practice, you have to read the textbook again and again, then you will get the idea about. After the reading, if you have any doubt, then in the next class you can ask the question through the WhatsApp. Or next class during the while video, because we are sending the recorded video, it is impossible to ask the question. So therefore you can ask the question through the WhatsApp, children. And before finishing today's topic, we need to take the today class homework question, children. So therefore we need to copy the today homework question, children. Now we need to copy the today homework question, children. These are the two questions are there. These are the two questions of today class. Now you copy these questions, children. The first one question: what is meant by the universe? What is meant by the universe? And second question is, what is a galaxy? So these are the two questions are there, children. You need to complete this question, and you need this question take as a homework. And in the next video class, we will discuss about the second main topic, our solar system. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.